Quattro Bot review. See this unbeatable new trading robot designed by a brilliant engineer especially for inexperienced traders. And by the way, if you're watching this video on YouTube, all the links are fully clickable. If you're watching it somewhere else, just go to the web address that's the beginning of the description directly below to get more information. Are you looking for a good way to make a steady income online? Hans Kline may have exactly what you're looking for. He's designed a trading system that can be used by anyone, regardless of their experience. Hans is a former engineer with Audi that has a really strong physics and math background. He's used this experience to design a cutting-edge new trading robot that uses something called Quattro technology. This technology blends together 4 complex trading strategies into an unbeatable new winning method. The technology is fully automated by the Quattro Bot and operates completely on autopilot. It's way too technical for me to explain all this to you, so spend the next few minutes and listen to Hans Kline go over the whole system in detail for you. It'll be well worth your time. Watch the rest of this video now.
Imagine starting with $200 in your trading account, and then building that up to generate a steady $5,000 profit each week. Do that for 3 years and you'd have over $780,000. I have made this plus much more using my specialist minimal risk trading method. Hi, my name is Hans Kline, and you probably think since I made that much money that I've been an experienced trader all of my life. But the thing is, nothing could be further from the truth. I actually used to be a car technician for the car manufacturer Audi. Because I had excelled at math, science, statistics, and physics at university here in Germany, I was highly recommended by some of the biggest car manufacturers in Germany. Mercedes, BMW, Rolls-Royce, they all sent me offers to work for them. But it was Audi who was willing to give me more creative leeway and also bigger stock options. And working for Audi was an amazing experience, one that I will never forget and also made me a lot of money. Better yet, I learned some amazing things that I've been able to apply in many different areas of my life. For example, when I retired from Audi in 2008, I decided to try trading stocks. I did fairly well at first, but soon stumbled upon the new and profitable world of binary options. And it was here that I found much less risk and overwhelming success compared to the stock market. The only thing was, due to my background in physics and math, it didn't take long before I got bored sitting there, watching the market and trying to determine when and if to trade. So, that planted the seed in my head for what would soon become Quattro Bot, the most reliable and accurate trading system that I designed and created based on the most cutting-edge technology and stat analysis I learned at Audi. In fact, not only is Quattro Bot inspired by and designed using a lot of the advanced technology I learned at Audi, it's actually engineered to perfection using a breakthrough technology called Quattro. In a nutshell, Quattro takes 4 highly complex trading strategies and blends them together to create an unbeatable winning method, month after month. It's been so successful for me and a group of close-knit friends. Getting Quattro Bot into the hands of more traders has become my mission. When I retired from Audi and got into trading stocks, I soon realized that it was possible and essential to use statistics, past chart patterns, and probability to predict with a high likelihood the chance of something happening with a particular stock or commodity. And it didn't take long until I moved into binary options and realized the same thing. Within a few months, I was thinking of ways to use the technology I learned at Audi to create a trading robot that would automate the entire task of finding the best trades to make. It took a lot of time, effort, and my own money, but it was worth it, because using the breakthrough technology I learned, I created the revolutionary Quattro, which uses the most cutting-edge indicators in the market. Like I mentioned earlier, I am now over $780,000 richer, and it's thanks to what I did with my account for the past 3 years using nothing but the strategy we used for Quattro Bot. I wish I could say that it's some magic formula, but Quattro is all based around pure math, statistics, and probability. You see, trading follows cycles. It repeats itself, the same way history does. If you take a look at trading charts spanning back 8 years, you'll see patterns that can be used to determine future movements and probability of certain trades. Certain market events that affects currencies also come often. And the great thing is, Quattro Bot's quad tech indicators look at more of the long-term market awareness and less short-term. This means there's less volatility since the program looks at the overall trend of an asset and keeps an eye on the longer-term market awareness, excluding small movements that doesn't matter in binary options. Because unlike Forex, where every fraction of a pip counts, in binary options, all you need to do is to determine whether the market will go up or down. The quad tech system that's programmed into Quattro Bot uses a forecast indicator that can analyze and predict market movement. In other words, it uses past trading charts, patterns, and history to accurately predict and forecast which way a particular asset is going. These charts and past trading history, combined with a few other indicators, can accurately analyze and predict the direction of the overall market and of specific assets in general. Quattro Bot targets the following major currency pairs: US dollar yen pair, euro yen pair, pound yen pair, euro dollar pair, pound dollar pair, euro pound pair. If you invest $200 and it rises to $534, and then you take that money and reinvest it in another trade that this robot finds, there's mathematical certainty that you can continue to grow that seed money into a huge nest egg. Of course, if you want to start with $500 or $1,000, that will cash you in more profits faster. You are welcome to do so. To build great wealth, you need a rock-solid system that performs in all economic and market environments, one that can return 81% over and over again, like clockwork. Using the Quattro Bot trading program allows you to do just that because of the long-term market awareness that the program looks at. It can accurately predict and forecast which way a particular asset is going. Like I was able to determine by looking at past trading charts, big returns of the past can actually help you find and predict the big returns of tomorrow. This is overall long-term market awareness, and it can make you rich. And that's exactly what Quattro Bot does. Based on the patterns and charts of the past, it can hunt down and find trades that are ripe for explosive growth now and in the immediate future. The quad tech trading technology finds patterns and cycles and uses 4 important indicators to find trades that are highly probable to return large profits. How do you identify the trades that can continuously turn $200 into $534 and then into $780,000 like I've been able to do? The answer is obvious. Just use the same rock-solid formula I used. Quattro Bot and the built-in quad tech trading technology uses everything I learned over 20 years at Audi. I knew I could harness my knowledge and use this technology in other areas of my life. And since I needed something to do after retiring, I fell in love with trading. And I didn't stray far from the knowledge and technology I learned at Audi. After all, I knew that basing quad tech on math, statistics, and probability was as safe a bet as could be. It's what I had known and used for more than 30 years through school and work at Audi. So I can't say I was so surprised when it worked in binary options. So when designing Quattro Bot, I knew exactly what was going to go into the program. After all, if you were a doctor in charge of performing an important surgery, you wouldn't go in and just try out new techniques and new methods you read about, would you? Of course not. You continue to use those techniques that have worked for you and will continue to work for you. In other words, you don't try out totally new and unproven things. That's why you can use Quattro Bot to make your trading the most profitable it can be. It's all based on technology I've used for years and have seen work firsthand. Not only that, but I have made over $780,000 in 3 years. It was built for that purpose, to go out and find the trades that are likely to show the biggest returns in the market. When designing this program, I spent months making a thorough, systematic study of charts and patterns that gave fantastic double or triple-digit returns. Here's all it takes to profit with Quattro Bot. First, you turn on the program. It then uses the built-in quad tech trading technology and the 4 powerful trading indicators we programmed into it to screen all the assets available for trading. It then isolates the handful of trades that share the trading criteria we programmed into the robot and find the trades that are likely to rise 10 times or more. Then wait for the robot to find and act on those trades, bringing returns of 81% like it did for me today. More importantly, the $32,495 in profit I make most weeks. It's that simple to use. You set up your account and load up your funds. Then you set the trade amount and turn the robot on. It won't take long before your trading account takes off and skyrockets upwards when the robot is finding profitable trade after trade. Sure, some traders can learn this over years of experience, but even if you have the knowledge and the skills, you'd have to spend hundreds of hours screening potential trades. Personally, I don't have that time, and most traders simply don't. That's why I made Quattro Bot in the first place. I wanted something that would provide you with a way to search for and find the market's best trades that are most likely to return huge gains and the incredible profits that come with them. And when I retired from Audi at the ripe old age of 43, I knew I had to find something else that would interest me. Little did I know that the knowledge, experience, and technology I learned and used at Audi would help me go on to create the most successful binary options trading robot. The quad tech engineering we used with this program is unlike anything else in Germany, or the world for that matter. If you want the opportunity to lock in 5-figure profits weekly, I'll show you how you can trial it for free for a limited time. It's important to know that although nothing in the market is a sure thing, that Quattro Bot can return trades that are as close to a sure bet as you'll find. So here's the thing. I've seen this system work beautifully in an up market, down market, or sideways market. Whether these assets are going up, going down, or going sideways, you'll have plenty of opportunity to profit. That's why I urge you to test it while the free trial offer is on now. After signing up, you can log in, fund your account, turn on the robot, and sit back as it hunts down the perfect trades that are ripe for the picking. These trades move quickly, as do the profits, so the quad tech engineering is perfect to help you find them. So I'd love you to gain one of the free limited trial places on offer and test drive it for yourself. But just know that the trial places are on a first-come, first-served basis. The cost after the trial will be $397 a month, or $2,997 for a year's subscription. And sure, that's a terrific value when you consider the kinds of returns they can produce. Even if you invested $500 or more in Quattro Bot, I turned my money into $780,000 in 3 years. So, yes, a $500 investment would be worth it, but the Quattro Bot again is yours for free for now. All you have to do is sign up for it before the free trial places are gone. You can use it today to put thousands of dollars of newfound profits into your bank account. So go ahead and sign up today, and you'll be on your way to putting more cash in your account with the power of Quattro Bot.
Go ahead, click the link below the arrow right now and get instant free access to Quattro Bot. Go ahead, you have nothing to lose, or you can go to www.binaryoptionsproducts.com/QB all in caps. You'll be really glad you did. Hey, what are you doing still here? Click the link, get access for Quattro Bot for free. You have nothing to lose and you can get started immediately. Click the link now.